Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of September. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the sun sign, and the name sign, sorry. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Aquarians. Okay, the Judgment, the Hangman, oh, the King of Wands, the Seven of Swords, the Ace of Cups, the Knight of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, and the Page of Swords. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Aquarians. Okay, Three of Diamonds, guidance from the angels for Aquarians. So Aquarians, if there is something important and major which is going on in your life, it's requiring you to take a major decision. Some sort of judgment, some sort of decision is being called for, and you are taking your time. You are taking your time. Perhaps because you feel that the things are not very clear to you, you want to have a different outlook, or you are not ready for that decision, perhaps. I think somebody is waiting for this decision of yours, but you are taking your time for whatever reason it is. Or maybe it is a situation in which you have just surrendered yourself in a way because you are not very clear as to what decision to be taken, what is the right decision to be taken, and that is why you are taking the time, and you have just, I don't know what to do in this situation, and that you just surrendered to the situation. It's like coming off like that. Okay, so there is a situation in which you have to take a decision, but you really don't know what to decide. Okay, whatever the reason, you really don't know what to decide, or this you are puzzled perhaps, because the thing is ultimately that you really don't know what the decision should be taken. So either you are taking it slow, or you've just surrendered as to things will unfold gradually. It can be that also. So okay, ultimately you are taking that time as to either things will unfold themselves gradually, or you want to have a clearer perspective and think on it, but you are definitely taking time, voluntarily or surrendering to the situation because you really don't know what to do. So that is the thing. But with the King of Wands, I think it is ultimately that people are waiting for a decision. You have to take a decision over here, over some matter, because you are in that position of authority. You are the decision maker here. You are the decision maker. That's what I'm getting. You are ultimately, it's coming off as the same thing, that it's a time to decide something. With the Seven of Swords, the Ace of Cups, and with the Knight of Swords, I think you have the information. You have some required information, or you are waiting for it, or perhaps you've asked somebody to get you the information, and that is what you are waiting for to take a right decision. You want to take a decision, but you are buying time. Perhaps you want more information, and perhaps you have asked somebody to get it for you. Yeah. So maybe you want some more information before you take this decision, and there is someone getting it for you. Maybe you've asked that person to get it for you, but you are waiting for that person to come in and deliver you that information or that news before you take the decision. Wow, beautiful. And once you get the information, you are rushing in towards this emotional fulfillment. There is something you are emotional about, and you want more information, and you want somebody to gather it for you. I don't see it's you doing it. Maybe it's you doing it, but definitely you are waiting for some sort of an information or a news or something like that for this new beginning. And once you get, maybe there are resources, if not an information, maybe the resources you are waiting for, and then somebody comes in, you've asked somebody to get those resources to you, and then once you get the resources, you just move in, rush in towards this new beginning of yours. And one thing which I'm getting here is, because you are investing all your energy with the Knight of Swords into this emotional fulfillment, once you make this decision, you just rush and gallop towards in, and then you decide to take a break because you've invested in it completely now. You are taking a break here with the Knight of Swords and the Two of Swords, Nine of Pentacles and the Two of Swords. I think you're taking your time off, a sort of a break or a sort of a vacation, not dealing much with people, not dealing with bullshit. You just don't it's a healthy time alone. I don't see it as something negative, but it's just the time when you have invested in something 100% and now you want a break. It's something like that. Maybe a vacation or something, and then you are ready for a next new venture or a new beginning, whatever it is. You are ready again once more. So you're recharging your batteries here, and then ready for a different go on or a new life. Okay, now the next chapter, what next, with the Page of Swords. And here with the Three of Diamonds. So whatever you are doing over here, people are admiring you for it. Something good. Healer of Action. This is a time when you can do whatever you set your mind to if your heart is open. You are being asked to do many things at once. You won't mind as long as you know you are making the difference. This card indicates someone who is loving, intelligent, passionate and fun, which could be you. This person can handle difficult situations with grace. So that's what you are doing. It is a difficult situation. You have to make a major decision, waiting for the news or the resources to come in. You've recruited someone or asked someone to get it for you, and once they do it, you just rush in towards it, and after investing 100% into that situation, you need a break, recharging your batteries and ready for the next move. Beautiful. So that's all I have for you, Aquarians. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.